Okay, so in this one, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my Windows drivers for my NVIDIA graphics card. First and foremost, I don't normally double click on the executable that you get from NVIDIA. You can do it that way, but I prefer to do it a slightly different way. If you do want to do it that way, simply download the executable. It will look something like this. This shield here would mean that it's a signed piece of software, I guess, and you can install straight away. The way I do it, slightly different. I get the executable and I extract it first. So to extract an executable, you right click. I have Z7-zip installed, and this allows me to extract the executable. I'm going to go to show more options for Windows 11. On Windows 10, it won't look like this. It will just simply have this menu here. I'm going to go to 7-zip and I'm going to choose extract files. This shouldn't take too long. This thing comes up. Don't worry about anything else. Just do OK. Let's just wait for that to finish. Okay, now that that's finished, I'm going to go to my device drivers. I'm going to press start. I'm going to type the word device, D-E-V-I-C-E, device manager, sorry. And device manager comes up, you click on it. This window here comes up, and I'm going to go to display drivers because that's what I want to install. I'm going to go to where it says NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti with Max-Q design. This is just a mobile version of this. Very old GPU at this point, but still very okay. I'm going to right click on that and go to where it says update driver. This window is going to pop up. When it pops up, you can choose search automatically for drivers, and this will check the Windows Update Store and all the other places it does check. However, because I know exactly where my drivers are, I'm going to go to browse my computer for drivers. I'm going to browse here again and go to desktop. Where is it? Desktop. And on the desktop, I'm going to go to this one here, 472 notebook. Now the drivers I'm installing are actually not the game ready drivers. These are the drivers that's good for like video editing and stuff like that. I'm going to click next, and it's going to search that subfolder. It should, there we go. It's installing the drivers, and then that should be it. So let's wait for that to finish. My video might actually cut out because it's installing the video drivers, but let's see. Okay, so as you can see, my drivers have now fully been installed. Now I can click close, and it's always a good idea to restart your PC after you've installed drivers, okay? But just to see if I have any updates on my Intel graphics, I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to go to update driver again, but this time I'll simply choose search automatically for drivers. It might find something. No, it didn't. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, that's fine. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. More videos incoming.